How to link external accounts with your Bank of America account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you link external accounts with your Bank of America account. So in order to link the external accounts with the Bank of America account, ensure that you adhere to each of the steps outlined. Firstly, access the website and input your username and password in order to sign in. Navigate to the transfer account section and hover over it. Subsequently, click on To or From Other Bank Account. Adjacent to the two options, you'll find the Add Account or the Recipient option. From here, you can specify the account type, whether domestic or international, and then choose the account category. Once you've completed this step, click on Add Account option, and the subsequent stage involves bank verification. To accomplish this, you can utilize the trial transactions. It is imperative that the two trial transactions align for the verification purposes. By initiating this process, you can deposit a specific amount and validate your external account. Following these steps will enable you to incorporate an external account into your Bank of America profile. So that concludes today's video. For additional content like this, remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for your viewership.